Waking up before the sun, got my coffee, this is gonna be fun. Got my gun, got my dog, got my call. Man, there's just no time like the fall. Tell the boys we're headed out for the woods. You know the outdoors does the soul some good. Climb a tree or set out the blinds and sit back, soak it in. It'll clear your mind.
All right, we're mid-fish here. Couldn't really tell how big this thing was, but I got a feeling he's halfway decent. It's a overcast day. It's a tough day to fish. It's weird temperatures. You know, we've got storms coming in and out. The bite really hasn't been on. We've only got a few fish today, but I have a feeling we finally connected with something that's halfway decent. It's been a struggle, a real struggle. But just like anything else, you stay on it and it's gonna happen. I don't want to horse him too much. 2 pound test Maxima. It's strong, but it's still 2 pounds. And he's sitting on the bottom, head shaking. I'm giving him pretty much everything I can. Look at this. Oh boy. Oh my. Oh my. Go out. Can you get him? Oh. What a fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, come on. Look at the colors. Come on. No, 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 no. I got all the pressure I can on him. Come on. It's wrapped around his fin. There we go. There we go. Got him back. Come on. Come on. Oh. 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 Now, this is what we come here for. A solid 20, I don't know, I'm gonna have to check it out. The inside of this net's 18 and he's bowed from side to side, so he's a solid 20-inch brown. So let me get the hook off him and we'll get him back in the water and let him go. All right, I'll tell you, this is unbelievable. Solid 20-inch fish, and you take a gorgeous look at this fish, and I'll tell you, the one good thing is being able to put him back in the water for another day. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at that, and we're gonna put him back in and let this fish go right underwater. Oh boy. All right, I got to get off of this thing. I got a halfway decent fish on here. Oh, it's a little deep. Get into a position where I can actually land them. I haven't seen him yet, but everything's pointing towards him being a good fish. So, oh no, stay out of the rock. Oh boy, I just got eyes on him. Oh. He just took out 25 yards of line with 2 pound test. That not too hard, but I got it cranked down pretty good. Look at this rod. These cadence rods, 7 foot, and the reels, these cadence reels are awesome. Look at, oh, the drag is super smooth, which I need for 2-pound test, especially with fish like this. Can you see him? Let's see if I can get him up. Oh, wow, he's not even tired yet. I can hear the wind going through the line. You can hear it whistling. That's how tight this line is right now. Anything touches this and he's gone. Look at him, look at him. Oh my God. Oh man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, look at the size of that fish. 2-pound test. Unbelievable. Giant. Absolute giant. That's why we come here. 2-pound test. Keep it on the bottom. Oh my God, is an absolute giant. 2-pound test. Size 12 mealies. I mean, that Maxima line to handle a fish like this is just epic. Oh my God. We got to cut now because I need a picture of this thing. I don't even know how we possibly did that, but you know, again, to be able to release a gorgeous fish like this into the water and let him go is exactly what we're gonna do.